The 2027 BMW X5 marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter for BMW in the United States. During a major event at BMW Group Plant Spartanburg in South Carolina, the company not only revealed the latest generation of its best-selling luxury sport utility vehicle, but also celebrated the completion of a massive $1.7 billion investment that prepares its American operations for the future of electrified mobility. This investment includes major upgrades to Plant Spartanburg and the completion of the new Plant Woodruff, creating an advanced manufacturing network capable of building the next generation of BMW X models. The announcement highlights just how important the United States continues to be for BMW, with South Carolina serving as the company's largest manufacturing facility anywhere in the world. The new 2027 BMW X5 also reaches an important milestone by becoming the first BMW model available with 5 different drivetrain options. Buyers will be able to choose from gasoline, diesel, plug-in hybrid electric, battery electric, and eventually hydrogen fuel cell technology. Rather than focusing on a single solution, BMW continues to give customers the freedom to select the powertrain that best fits their lifestyle and driving needs. One of the biggest announcements during the event was confirmation that the BMW iX5 will become the first fully electric BMW assembled in the United States. Production is scheduled to begin before the end of 2026 at Plant Spartanburg, supported by high-voltage battery packs assembled at the nearby Plant Woodruff. BMW also confirmed that at least 6 fully electric models will be assembled in the United States by 2030. The production facilities themselves have received major technological upgrades. BMW has expanded the use of digital manufacturing systems that allow engineers to create virtual production lines before equipment is installed. Artificial intelligence now assists with quality inspections, robotics, and real-time monitoring throughout the assembly process, helping maintain the precision expected from every BMW plant. Spartanburg is also leading BMW's Physical Artificial Intelligence initiative by testing humanoid robots from Figure AI. These robots are designed to handle repetitive and physically demanding tasks, allowing employees to focus on skilled craftsmanship and detailed assembly work. At the same time, Plant Woodruff introduces an advanced battery assembly process that simplifies production while improving efficiency. The BMW X5 has played a major role in the company's success for more than 25 years, with over 3 million examples sold worldwide. Built in South Carolina and exported to markets across the globe, the model continues to be one of BMW's most important vehicles. With the arrival of the 2027 BMW X5 and its wide range of powertrain choices, BMW is showing that performance, innovation, and customer choice can move forward together as the automotive industry enters its next era.
We're in your way.
Yeah, I already did, yeah.
Make sure you press on that. No, that rolls.
No, but
So let me here.
yeah.
Depending on the model. Huh? Woohoo! Don't go force them in it. So close.